There are days within my life thus far I would gladly leave behind, though the day we saw this lovely place will never leave my mind. Riverbank Cottage is up for sale was the sign we saw that day, and what I saw before my eyes truly took my breath away. Ivy-covered windowsills, tulips by a stream, water that sparkled like cold champagne, befitting any dream. Crocus in abundance, and the duff's bright endless glow. An old dishevelled watermill, where the silent waters flow. Hearing cuckoos in the distance, sense of springtime on the breeze. The untamed shadows from the sun danced among the willow trees. Heaven on earth we saw that day, happiness so true. I knew this place before our eyes was meant for me and you.